Hey everybody, welcome to HSA 1102. For those of you who are new to Kaiser University, welcome to Kaiser University. All right, so this term we will be looking at the Introduction to Healthcare. It'll be an overall view of what healthcare is and some of the things to expect once you're in. For those of you who are already working in the field, this may be more of a review for you, but I've had students say that they've still learned things that they didn't know, even though they worked in the field maybe 10, 20 years. So make sure that you're paying attention and that you are completing the assignments. For those of you who are new, um, this will be an exposure to what to expect in the healthcare field. For those of you who are working in the field, I encourage you to share your experiences within the discussion post so that others may benefit from your experience. The fact that you're viewing this video tells me that you're a Meet the Instructor. Meet the Instructor contains some important information, and for those of you who don't know or new to the Blackboard system, this is the Meet Your Instructor portion. When you click on that, it will, and you're already here. So it provides all the information. It'll provide my phone numbers to reach me, my email address, my hours for class, and give you information. The syllabus does the same thing. It's kind of like the contract between you and the university for this course. It tells you what to expect, what you're expected to learn during the course, when things are due, things like that. It also provides my information as well. Okay, homepage. So what I advise you to do for the syllabus is download the syllabus and print it out if you have printer capabilities, or save it on your computer. But preferably print it out, because if you're without power or if you're without connectivity for the computer, you won't be able to access it. At least if you have it printed out, you have my information and you can call me if anything happens. Um, Maintaining contact between you and your instructor will be key to your success within this course and your future courses as well. All right, our Kaiser Live is going to be held every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're on another time zone, make sure that you're uh, looking at that. If you attend the Kaiser Live and participate when questions are asked, you can earn up to 0.5 points in extra credit. 0.5 points does not sound like a lot. However, it can accumulate to 2 points over the course of the term if you attend all 4 sessions, and it can make a difference between a B or an A or a C and a B if you're teetering on the edge of one of those. Um, if you're not able to attend the live session, then you can write a summary of 1 to 200 words about what was discussed in the live lecture after you viewed it. And to get credit for that, you have to provide specific examples of what I discussed in the lecture to show me that you did view the lecture, that you're not just taking it out of the textbook. And then when you submit that, it must be submitted on a Word document, and you can submit that in any one of the weeks. For instance, if you go down to week 1, you go down to the end, and then there's an extra credit. So you can earn credit for that. You will have a written assignment in week 1. However, the week 1 written assignment is not due until the end of week 2. We want to get you started on the written assignment during week 1, and then get the rough draft done. You will have to submit it to the online writing lab for them to review. Once they review it, they'll send you an email back with both the submission form and the your rough draft with their comments. you were to forward that email to me so I have it to show that you did submit it. It's part of the grading process for the assignment. Um, and then take those recommendations and incorporate them into your final draft before you submit it in week 2. And I'll get more in depth on that as we go. I will do a coursework review each week, so make sure you view that, and I will discuss that then. There will be videos on how to find the OWL and how to submit your paper to the OWL appropriately. So look for those in the announcements section. There will also be videos in the Getting Started section as well as the Program Resources section on APA. I understand that many of you have not been exposed to APA before and it can get overwhelming. So review those resources in the Getting Started page as well as the Program Resources section. After you've reviewed those, if you're still having problems, let me know and I will walk you through that through a one-on-one Kaiser Live. Late submissions. If you are not making the due date for your assignment and you submit it late, I will accept it. However, I will accept it with 5 points off for every day that it is submitted past the due date. Now, if you've contacted me and we discussed alternative options or due dates, then that's a different story. But you must contact me before the due date of the assignment to discuss that. Unless it's an emergency, life-threatening emergency, then I realize that things do happen. But if you're coming in on a Sunday telling me at 6 o'clock that you can't get it in by 11:59, that's not going to work. So make sure that you're letting me know early. Again, start writing your written assignment as soon as you look at the assignment. If you don't understand or you have questions about the assignment, contact me. If you have not ordered your book, please do so. I've provided the information in the announcements as to what book is needed and the ISBN if you're ordering it from another source. If you're ordering it from the Kaiser University bookstore, just put undergraduate, your course prefix, and your course number. So in this case, HSA 1102, and that will bring up the book in the Kaiser University bookstore. Anywhere else, you're going to need the ISBN, so go to the announcements for that. Again, communication is key. I am best reached by email. I check my emails frequently, even on my off days, so you'll get a better response time for me with that. If I'm available, I will take calls on my cell, but not after 9 p.m. The number is listed in the Meet the Instructor and the Syllabus page. And you can also call me during my work hours while I'm here, working for Kaiser. So let's have a great term, and communication is key. So let me know if you need anything.